welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And today we are releasing a very important tutorial, that is setting up OpenClaw in Android phone. Yes, you heard it right. I am using one of my old Android phone from Moto, and I would be setting OpenClaw and would be using it with Telegram. So if you haven't used OpenClaw, OpenClaw is one of the most viral AI agents across GitHub, raising about 250k stars within just a few months, and looks crazy. It can do a lot of actions operating from your phone. But the major part is you don't require some major AI hardware also. You won't require a GPU, and it can be set up in a device as small as an Android phone too. So in our previous tutorials, we have shown the demonstration with Windows installation, but this time we would be using an Android phone. Yes, you heard it right. And it can work, this solution can work with any Android phone. So don't worry that, okay, my phone is cheaper, my phone is expensive, so I can't use it. You can use it with any Android phone. That's my guarantee. So this is how you can get started. This is OpenClaw. Let me show you what I'm using. So this is the GitHub repo that I would be using, OpenClaw Android. It has about 1.4k stars and it works like magic. To be honest, as you scroll down, OpenClaw on Android. No Linux installation would be required. You won't require Termux also. That's the important part. This was no root distro, just the glib dynamic linker. And I think if talking about as you have given, this project requires 3 to 10 minutes, which is absolutely correct. It requires very less time. On your phone, I think we will be completing this demonstration within like say 5 to 6 minutes, including how to use it with Telegram. This is the Claw app that you have to install in your Android phone. As you can see, download the APK from releases. So as we move ahead, as you can see, requirements are Android 7 or higher, 1 GB free storage, and Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. What it does, it installs a number of libraries for you, prepares your phones, install terminals, etc, etc. We are not going that way. We are using the Claw application. So in the next few seconds, we'll be switching to our Android phone. The screen would shrink a bit. So enjoy this installation and try and open Claw in your Android phone now. So here you can see that I'm operating my OpenClaw server from my mobile phone and operating it using Telegram. Hey bot, good morning, Mehul, how it's going? So it's a bot that is responding. In last message you can see that it is also responded as an emoji, and all this is working on my old Android phone which has a broken screen too. So now I think my phone has got a new usage. Now it has become my AI server to run OpenClaw. As you can see, all good. Tell me the latest AI news. Now this is the next question that I've asked it. I would love to, but my web search tool isn't configured right now. So I think I've forgotten to apply my Brave search API key that I'll configure later on. I won't be jumping it right now, but this is just to demonstrate how powerful a small Android phone can become now. You can access the best of the AI models. You can implement OpenClaw Hermes agent in just Android phone. So this is just a demonstration. Now let me show you after this message how I did this. The installation is quite easy. Let's get started. Crazy, now you go sleep. All right, powering down. Now let me show you how I did it. So this is the GitHub repo that we were talking about earlier, OpenClaw Android. Here you can see that this is the page where you get the APK for downloading the application. It is not available on Google Play Store. Do remember that. You need to install it, 5.66 MBs. Open it, install it using the package installer. In your phone it might look a little different. This is for Android. Do remember that. This is installing. As you can see, it's an unsafe app, so be careful. It's on your risk. I'm using it in my old phone. Do remember that. I'm not using in my primary phone. The application has been installed now. As you can see, now we would be jumping on to configuring OpenClaw in my system. As you can see, choose your platform. I'm using OpenClaw. Optional tool, I'm not opting for any of them for now. Start setup. It was throwing some error for me, so that I'm skipping this part for now. It is starting up OpenClaw. Now you are all set. Open terminal. As you can see, the installation of different packages has now started. Downloading libxl, downloading PCRE2, downloading it. I think if you are not able to see it, just zoom in a bit. This is my mobile screen. This is an experimental video that I'm trying out so that I'm able to show you edge AI use cases also. This is on my Android phone. gclibs. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes for you to install everything in your mobile phone, as you can see, depending upon your internet connection. Do remember that you don't need to write in any command. So far I haven't written any single command. It's all automatically working. You just need to install the Claw application, that too from the GitHub page that I have shared in the comment section below. Don't use anything else. All others are unofficial release. This is the best one that has been working for me, and so use this. But yes, it is unsafe, as you saw in the message. So be a little careful when you're using such applications. Apart from that, I think don't use it in your primary phone. This is a major concern. Use it in a secondary or tertiary phone, a phone with a broken screen or broken speaker, something that you're not using. Else you have your bank accounts, your social media accounts all in your primary phone. They might get compromised using services like OpenClaw. It's a little unsafe. I think we all know that. Here you can see that it is installing seamlessly right now. This will take a while, so you have to bear a little. This might take 5 to 6 minutes, but yes, everything is working as planned. Installing Claw Hub, as you can see, it's towards the last stage of installation for now. Installing the other applications, added 34 packages in 5 seconds, and yes, the installation is done now. As you can see, the next part is I would be setting up OpenClaw for using with Telegram. Do remember that? So I'm not mentioning all the parts of how to integrate with Telegram. I've already done that in a separate video. The steps remain the same as for Windows, so I'll be skipping that part for now. As you can see, I am first of all trying to configure my OpenAI model using the API key. This is not free to use, so I'm using an OpenAI API key. You need to have one API key from be it Claude or OpenAI or Z.AI or whatever you wish to use. As you can see, I entered the wrong command, so it is now showing me the right command. OpenClaw models auth login provider is OpenAI for me. So I'm typing in the right command now. As you can see, OpenClaw, the typing is a little slow because on phone I can't see, the screen is very small, but it's very interesting to see that the latest of AI now in your phone. Auth login provider is OpenAI for me. In your case it can be different, so accordingly choose that. As I have entered enter, now the next step would be to choose the API key. I need to provide the API key. I will be blurring out so that you don't copy paste my API key and use it. I don't want an API leak. I think in the past that has happened, so I'm trying to skip that part. I've copy pasted my OpenAI API key here. Now as the next step, we will be connecting it with Telegram. Do remember that I've already covered a video on how to connect OpenClaw with Telegram, so I'm not repeating that. Kindly refer to that video for better understanding of every step. OpenClaw channel add. Here you can see the channel is Telegram and the token is generated by BotFather on Telegram. How to get there, what to do, that you have to check from my previous video. I provided the link in the comment section. Here you can see that my bot is up and I'm again blurred my API key here. The access token for the bot. I'm copy pasting that access token. I've already copy pasted that now. And yes, it's also done. So I've configured my Telegram. I have configured my OpenAI API key too. As you can see here, now I'm turning on my OpenAI OpenClaw gateway, so that now it becomes an AI server for me and OpenClaw will be operating from here now. Do remember that you need to provide this flag allow unconfigured, because if you're following this video. Else if you are configuring other steps also, then that's fine, but you have to set this up. You can see the server has started now. That's the best part. And now let's test it out on Telegram. So it's on the same phone, everything is operating. As you can see, I'm chatting with it, things are coming on it. I ask its name, it is giving that you can call me anything. I have to shut up, it's shutting up now. As you can see, it's also replying in emojis too. So that's the best part. This was a previous chat that I showed you earlier. Now hey bot, good morning, it would be responding to this as well. So in this way you can set up OpenClaw in Android phone, in any Android phone, within just 5 to 10 minutes. Very easy setup and you won't regret setting this up. You can now set up an entire AI business without paying a single penny. You can use Ollama too. Thank you so much.